Hello, my name is Dmitro and I represent S4GA. I would like to share with you this case study of Aleksotas Airport in Lithuania using S4GA solar runway lighting. This domestic airport has installed solar runway lights over 2 years ago. They've been using lights successfully since then. This also includes winter time when temperature reaches minus 15 degrees and frequently all lights are completely covered by the snow. Um, in 2021, S4GA team has performed an inspection of the lights. Status of the lights is very good. There has been no damages, no water leakage, no problems with radio control. Entire system is approved by Civil Aviation Authority of Lithuania, and airport management is satisfied with the performance as well as pilots with the visual range of the system. So we definitely recommend usage of solar runway lighting for other regional and domestic airports.